This is hands down my favorite time of the Stampin' Up! Year. We are counting down to the new catalog. We have new colors coming in, new papers coming in. I run my 3 favorite promotions, which I'm going to tell you all about during this video, and I have new samples to share with you. Let's get started. All right, for the new catalog, this is really all I'm allowed to show you right now, although I do have some new products and I am going to share those with you. But per Stampin' Up! Rules, I can't go inside the cover, but I can on May 3rd. And so tune in on May 3rd for a YouTube and Facebook Live where I will walk through the catalog and share all my tips, tricks, likes, and maybe not like as much with you. And so that'll be May 3rd at 3 p.m. Eastern Time here on YouTube and on Facebook. Let's look at these gorgeous new in colors. This is just a portion of the In Color Club that you can join right now. You can join until May 3rd when the club will close and I will start fulfilling orders for all of these wonderful products. When you join the In Color Club, the way it works is that you get 1 color per month for 5 months. So you'll get, for example, if Sweet Sorbet is your color for the month, you'd get the ink pad, the re-inker, the blends, the ribbon, and then you would get 1 of the multi-packs. And let me show you what the multi-packs are like. Let's clear these away, but let me introduce them while I'm doing that. This is Parakeet Party, Sweet Sorbet, Tahitian Tide, Orchid Oasis, and Starry Sky. They are the stars of this year's In Color Club. Nice enough, Stampin' Up! Did all 5 colors in blends, which are included in the In Color Club this year. They also did all 5 colors in Stampin' Write markers, which you will get as a bonus pack, 1 of your 5 months. They did all 5 colors in this beautiful designer series paper, and each color has 4 different patterns. We have plaid, we have polka dot, we have flowers, and we have stripes. And this is also one of your bonus pack items that will ship to you 1 of your 5 months. They added this really cool product this year, glimmer paper. In all 5 colors, you get an ombre effect and you get multiple sheets of each of the colors. Again, this will come to you as a multi-pack in 1 of your 5 months. The other 2 items that will come to you as a multi-pack in 1 of your 5 months is a variety pack of baker's twine. It's a color and white spun together, all 5 colors at once. That will come 1 of your 5 months. And the last but not least, the other thing that will come 1 of your 5 months are these amazingly beautiful matte dots. Now, we've had matte dots in the past, so I'm sure you can imagine it, but imagine it's in all 5 colors and in varying sizes. Unfortunately, when I placed my pre-order, they were already out of those for us, but I am looking forward to getting them next week. That's right, next week, the new catalog launches. So let's talk, that's my first promotion, my In Color Club, and there is a link below this video for you to go over and take care of joining that club. Now let's talk about what else I have here. I'm also working on my paper share right now. I have a couple of paper samples to show you. The paper share is offered in a 6-inch size as well as a 12-inch size. I'm just going to run through this Hues of Happiness package right now so you can see how beautiful the paper is while I talk about what you get with my paper shares. They come in either a 6-inch size or a 12-inch size. Each package, for example, the Happiness Hues package would come in one size or the other, and there'd be a label on the front that would tell you every Stampin' Up! Color that is incorporated into these gorgeous papers. You would get a sampling of every single page in the pack. If you are ordering the 12-inch share, you would get 2 6-inch pieces of every single page. So you could use one side on one project and one side on another if you order the 6-inch pack. And I also have this Tea Time pack of paper. This one showcases the in colors beautifully. I'm just going to flip through it here to show you that this one will come in your paper share as well. Now this one, Stampin' Up, designed to be a 6-inch paper pack. So whether you order the 12-inch paper share or the 6-inch paper share, you will get this one in a 6-inch size. The paper shares come beautifully boxed. The 6-inch comes in a priority padded mailer envelope, and the 12-inch comes in a sturdy box. I have never had any complaints, and I have been running this program for many years. So I hope if you have done that before, you will join me. And if you are new to my channel and new to finding out about paper shares, you'll give it a whirl, because the great thing about it is it saves you some money, which is always a plus, and gives you all the papers to play with that are in the annual catalog. All right, let's talk about some of the not paper products and accessories that I got in my pre-order. These 2 stamp sets will be the highlights of the next couple of projects that I share with you on the channel. The Happiness Abounds is this beautiful lined flower set with this gorgeous font in a variety of greetings. This is one of those go-to stamp sets that will take care of a lot of your everyday cards. There are many ways that this can be used. This is a technique I'm going to show you. There are the beautiful dies, and you even get something that makes it look like notebook paper and like a bound book, which is very cool. Those are edges you can add to your cards, and then you get all these beautiful stamps. The other bundle that I was super excited about is the Cup of Tea. Again, very different font, very different style of art, but I loved how it all went together. So again, you'll have a combination of a lot of greetings that you can use. I love this take care of yourself. I haven't seen that in a while, but it just is that thinking of you in just a warm cup of tea sort of way. Lots of different ways that you can decorate your teacups. And then what's even better is you have this wonderful set of dies that obviously cuts out some of the images, but you also have some decorative ones in a lot of hearts, which is so wonderful since a lot of the sentiments are sending warm thoughts. And then you have this beautiful photopolymer stamp set inside to work with. Some of what I have created with these is displayed right here. So here's my nod to the In Color Club, which we talked about just a couple minutes ago. If you want to join that club, there is a link below. For 5 months, you will get there's 5, not 4. You'll get all the products that are in the 5 new In Colors in our annual catalog. I spread it out over 5 months, so it makes it a little easier on your wallet for you to collect, and you are assured that you have everything for the whole time that these colors are live. These 2 were made with the Cup of Tea bundle. I used some of the Cup of Tea designer series paper on this one. This is actually the card that some of you may notice if you already received an annual catalog in the mail. If that isn't you and you're interested in getting one, there's also a link below this video as to how to let me know that you need a catalog. But these are just 2 different ways that that bundle can be used. And then last but not least, I wanted to share with you one of the projects I created with the Happiness Abounds stamp set. I love this friend in script. And then I just used the lined stamps to decorate the front and back of the pad and a nice long strip of the designer series paper because it's just so gorgeous. And I just wrapped it around a notepad that somebody can use to keep their to-dos or lists or anything else in order. So I hope you will join me in either the paper share or the In Color Club. If you choose to do both, I am offering a product coupon available to you during the month of May. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. And otherwise, have a very crafty day, and I'll see you soon.